Hello my fellow woodworking and hobby enthusiasts. Dave here. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my personal experience with TEDS woodworking plans. Now, I've always enjoyed woodworking. Mind you, I'm not the most gifted woodworker and I don't have the budget or space for a fancy workshop with all the fancy power tools. Nevertheless, I am still an enthusiast when it comes to woodworking. I really enjoy taking a piece of raw wood and turning it into something beautiful and practical. Think of a birdhouse, for example. Now, you could go to a big box store and probably find one for sale right now off the shelf. But imagine the personal satisfaction if you could build one yourself. Well, folks, with TEDS woodworking plans, you can. TEDS woodworking plan contains more than birdhouses though. It includes over 16,000 downloadable woodworking plans, ranging from small projects like birdhouses to large projects like pool tables. Yes, I said pool tables. I know that sounds crazy, right? But it's true. The plans are all there. And the amazing thing is these plans are so detailed and easy to follow. And that's one of the main advantages with TEDS woodworking plans, the level of detail. They guide you step by step with very detailed diagrams and from multiple angles. No more guessing or head scratching. And if by chance you do run into a jam and get stuck, no worries. You have support available to you via email and forums. I can't think of too many woodworking plans that have these resources available to you. And even before you start a project, the plans give you the exact list of tools and materials that you will need for the project. Nothing is more annoying than when you are in the middle of a project and you find that you don't have the correct tools or not enough material. But now, you'll be spending more time building and less time fretting and stressing yourself out. Now, each plan does provide an approximate time frame on how long it could take to complete the project. Take this estimate with a grain of salt. This is just an estimate. The truth is, you do these projects at your own pace. Some of us will be faster, and some of us, like me, who are not gifted when it comes to woodworking, will be slower. But it's not a race. And unless you are looking to do this for a living, most of us will be doing woodworking projects as a hobby, and as such, it will obviously take us a little longer than the time listed. For example, it took me twice as long as the time listed to complete a cutting board project, but the end result was awesome. My friends and family couldn't believe that I made it. And the birdhouse I made for my sister really touched her heart because I made it and I customized it with a personal engraving for her. Don't be intimidated, my friends. If I can do this, you definitely can. Give TEDS woodworking plans a try today. It is only available through his official website, which I have listed below. And if you're not totally impressed, it comes with a full 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. No questions asked. And if you act now, you will qualify for a discount and receive multiple bonuses that are only available for a limited time. So act fast. Until next time, my friends, happy woodworking. Ciao!